Okay, we're in New Zealand and got my glasses on because we're doing some work on the boat. When I got here, I had a great idea to install 3 drawer fridges and remove the old fridge that was with the boat. So I've started, and I was going to videotape this with my GoPro Hero 6. Can't find it. Tried my Hero 4, couldn't find it. Hero 5 wasn't charged. Drone camera was a pain in the ass. Here I am with my Sony. Hopefully we're getting this. Anyway, welcome to the boat world. And yeah, we're installing 3 Engel Drawe fridges to replace the fridge that came with the boat. And I'll take you around and show you. So, if you can see, that is the old fridge. And I have it wired temporarily because I'm working on installing 3 of those. And this is the compressor and the remotes, and they're going to be going up in that space up there. And that space is accessed by a hatch that I'm cutting here with the jigsaw there, and that's where the remote compressors will be. So here's my other 2 drawer fridges. They're out there. The box for the one I'm working on is right there. Anyway, that's what I'm doing. So I'll follow along and you'll see what we're doing. Laura's off on a ride on a bike, and I'm cutting holes in my boat. Awesome! Okay, so that's sanded. Okay, we got a quick update. I've got the first Engel Drawe refrigerator mounted, temporarily mounted. Anyway, so you can see, here's my cutaway on the back of, and the first compressor is right there. The next one's going right here, and the third one's going over here. And this is the first Engel Drawe fridge. So you can see I'm going to stack them vertically like so. And so that's how the fridge works. Stuff goes in here. Oops, hold on, let's do that again. Awesome. So it's an Engel, focus, no. Engel fridge freezer. So the beauty of that particular unit is that there's 3 of them. 3 separate compressors, 3 separate temperatures. One can be freezer, one can be fridge, 2 can be freezer, anything you want. And you can load it up. Downside is certain things will not fit into the drawer. So you have to, like a milk carton, it's too tall. So you'd be putting milk, I'm going to be putting milk into a container that we've got that's shorter. Nothing in this world is perfect, but I think it's going to be much better. Anyway, hold on. I'm going to start with number 2. Over and out. So I'll tell you how this is the fridge unit as it came out of the box. As you can see, the air compressor, the compressor for the coolant and refrigerant is mounted to the back. So we're removing it, and Engel has conveniently given you a loop here so that you can remote mount this. And back over here, this one's remotely mounted. This compressor will end up right here. And let's take it off. I've cut the tie wraps and the wire harness, and they give you an extra 3 extra cords to plug in for remote mounting. Very convenient. And 4 screws, and we're all disconnected. So now the air, you can see it's, now I can unroll it, and then the cables that are, I don't know where they are. Oh, here they are. So these cables extend these cables so you can remote mount wherever you want. That's how that works. The other thing you have to do is you have to unscrew this as you're pulling it out. So this goes out like this, and we unscrew. Whoops, maybe I'm screwing. I don't know. So I've got 3 angles stacked. 1, 2, 3, in the old position of the old fridge. So 1, 2, 3. They're all controlled separately, all controlled individually, and the compressors, you can see them here. I've got one tucked in back here. There's gonna be another one here, another one here. Very cool. So I'll tighten it all up, do some electrical work, and I gotta do a little cabinetry. I'll show you before I do the cabinetry. I'll show them working. Anyway, that's it. 3 angles, 1 fridge out, and another install on Muskoka.
Oh, that's because it's...
What you doing?
I'm putting stuff into our new fridge.
Which one of the 3?
In the middle one right now.
And what do we call this fridge system?
An Engel...
Nope.
Nope.
The Tower of Power.
Yes, dear. Tower of Power.
So that's what they are. And that's the finished product.
There we go. And this is now empty.
And the old fridge is gone. And just so you can see, here's our compressor setup. Still got to straighten out all the wires, but they're chugging away. Very cool. This is the piece I cut out, so I'm going to put some hinges, sweet, down here, and then it'll just fold, boom, like so. So I'll have easy access for service. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut in a vent right there. I'm not sure if I need it. I got vents here, and it's a big space under there. Anyway, that's what I'm going to do. Hi everybody.
Hi.
So as you can see, that was the installation of our new Engels, and we're just going to give you a little bit of a view of the finished product. And there they are, all trimmed in. Got the trim from the old door, and I'll go down here. Fresh corn tonight, that's happening. And got lots of beer in the fridge. We don't drink it, but our friends do. And
It's our dairy drawer.
the dairy drawer. So 3 fridges, better than 1, right? Right. And then out here is the finished product of the the compressor room, I guess you could call it. You just open this up. It's got hinges, and the bottom compressor is here, the middle fridge is here, the top fridge is here. And I got them marked, written down. This is the electrical. So this is the feed. This is the feeds that came with the old fridge. And then I just created a little jumper panel here. So this is the hot side, 12 volts. This is the ground, I mean. And this is the hot side down here. So that's it.
And the vents.
Oh yeah, the vent.
Installed the vent.
I just put this, this is a vent that goes on the side of a boat. I just cut a hole out of here and just to allow the heat to come out. From the factory we had these vents here, but there's lots of space in here, and it's I haven't felt any heat come out of the vent, but more ventilation is better. So that's it for the installation of our 3 Engel Drawe fridges aboard Muskoka. Hope you enjoyed it.
Double thumbs up.
Yeah. Yeah.
We love it.
We've actually been living with it now for a month, and one of the best things we've done.